Hi everyone, today I will share with you a skin soap anti-dark spot for your daily need. Welcome to Brightest Life. Palmer's Skin Success Anti-Dark Spot with Vitamin E Complexion Bar, 3.5 ounces, 100 g. Product Overview. Description: EST 1840. Anti-dark spot trademark. For all skin types. Brightens complexion, even skin tone. With vitamin C, soy and licorice. Made with natural vitamin E, Tocopherol. Palmer's registered is against animal testing. Family owned and operated. Palmer's registered Skin Success registered complexion bar is a luxuriously rich, gentle cleanser that not only creates the ideal surface texture for receiving the maximum benefits of our tone-correcting treatments but also contains natural pigment-perfecting ingredients and enhanced moisturizers. With daily use, skin is visibly transformed into luminous, balanced perfection. Perfect for dull complexion and uneven skin tone. Key ingredients: soy, licorice, vitamin C, vitamin E. Suggested use. Directions: using warm water, create a rich lather and massage into skin. Rinse completely. For optimal tone perfecting results, follow up with Palmer's Skin Success Fade Cream. Other ingredients: sodium tallowate, sodium cocoate, or sodium palm kernelate, water, aqua, glycerin, lanolin, ascorbic acid, tocopherol, glycyrrhiza glabra, licorice, root extract, glycine soja, soybean oil, sodium chloride, pentasodium pentate, tetrasodium etidronate, titanium dioxide, Cl77891, fragrance, parfum, citronellol, limonene, hexyl cinnamol, hydroxycitronellol, butylphenylmethylpropionyl, linalool. Free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, dyes. Warnings: for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. Date first available, July 22, 2013. Shipping weight: 0.3 lb. Switch to metric units. Product code PAL 07380. UPC code 010181073809. Package quantity 3.5 ounces. Dimensions: 1.5 by 2.5 by 3.8 in, 0.25 lb. Switch to metric units. Face soap. Acne and blemish. Bar soap. Bath and shower. Treatments and serums. To order, please go to this link. http URL. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, Brightest Life. See you on our next video.